Hello, my name is Diana Gal, I'm 26 years old and I'm from Romania. I'm currently applying for the receptionist job at your company. My desired start date is May 2014. I am interested in this job because I want to live in the United Kingdom. I love working in a multicultural environment and I want to start a new career in the tourist industry. To tell you a little bit about me, I have a bachelor degree in International Relations and European Studies obtained in 2009 at the University of Oradea, Romania, a Master in European Security obtained in 2011 at the same university, and a Master 2 degree in European Integration obtained in 2011 at the University of Reims, Champagne-Ardenne, France. I speak 3 foreign languages fluently: English, French and Spanish. Besides my studies, I had the chance to apply parts of my theoretical and practical knowledge while working in different project teams. In 2009, I participated in a Leonardo da Vinci internship in library science in Reims, France. Since 2009, I participate in several international conferences and seminars in the Azores, Belgium, Cyprus, Italy, Romania, Spain and Ukraine. I'm a very communicative, ambitious, serious and a very hard-working person. I appreciate honesty and the punctuality in any time. Therefore, I'm searching for an opportunity to discover a foreign business culture while additionally enhancing my foreign languages knowledge and getting some practical experience fitting to my studies. I believe that my presence at your company will be useful for both you and me. I truly appreciate this opportunity to introduce myself and to apply for this job at your company. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. Goodbye.